Welcome to the video tutorial of GreenCloud VPS. Today, we will show you how to set up an APT caching server using APT-Cacher NG on Ubuntu. By default, the APT-Cacher NG package is included in the Ubuntu default repository. You can install it using the following command. Once the APT-Cacher NG package is installed, start the APT-Cacher NG service and enable it to start at system reboot. You can check the status of APT-Cacher NG with the following command. By default, APT-Cacher NG listens on port 3142. You can check it with the following command. By default, APT-Cacher NG does not serve HTTPS repositories, so you will need to enable it. To do so, edit the APT-Cacher NG default configuration file. Uncomment the following line. Save and close the file. Then, restart the APT-Cacher NG service to apply the changes. By default, all Ubuntu system uses Ubuntu repository to download and install packages, so you will need to configure your client system to use APT-Cacher NG for package installation. To do so, create a new proxy configuration file. Then, add the following line. Save and close the file when you are finished. Now, let's try to install the Apache package on the client system using the following command. This command will find, download, and install an Apache package from the APT-Cache NG server. You can check it using the following command on the server system. APT-Cache NG also provides a web-based interface to display all reports. You can access it using the following URL. You can also set up access control for APT-Cache NG so that only authenticated hosts can download the package from the APT-Cacher NG server.